Premium filter specified to OE levels of filtration and fluid flow. Ensures transmission longevity when replaced at regular service intervals. Includes molded rubber-type gasket. Designed to prevent pan leaks. ATP transmission filters are designed to keep the transmission fluid clean and flowing consistently, as intended by the original manufacturer. This is achieved by matching the OE specification of particle filtration and fluid flow. Every transmission will eventually accumulate debris from normal wear and tear. It is critical that the transmission fluid is kept clean so that the valve body and other vital components do not become clogged, making them inoperable. By regularly replacing your transmission filter, you will be extending your transmission's life and avoiding the possibility of costly repairs. About ATP Automotive. ATP was founded on July 1, 1955. The company was an innovator of transmission rebuild kits and, over the years, has expanded its product offering to include automatic transmission filter kits, repair kits, cables, flywheels and ring gears, cabin air filters and chemicals. In 2001, the Graywerks by ATP line was introduced. This line consists of exhaust manifolds, harmonic balancers, timing covers and engine and transmission pans. ATP Automotive strives to provide the highest quality parts to their valued customers. The company was fully rebranded as ATP Automotive in 2014. Top reviews from the United States. Amazing product, perfect fit. I use this one on my 2013 Jeep Grand Cherokee, and it is a perfect fit. The filter looks the exact same as the filter that was in there from factory, it fits perfect. And the rubber gasket is nice and soft, also a perfect fit. Happy to get this for a very good price.